Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create desktop shortcut Amazon shopping on computer. So how to create desktop shortcut Amazon shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the three-dot menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Cast and Share menu here. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the Create Shortcut menu. And a menu like this will appear. Tap Create. Well, here you have successfully created an Amazon desktop shortcut. Return to the computer desktop display. Well, here it is visible. Move the Amazon desktop shortcut. And try to open it. Can be seen here it has succeeded. So that's it, tutorial how to create desktop shortcut Amazon shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.